Hey friends, if the Wi-Fi option is not showing up in Windows 11, then there are only two possible reasons for it. One is that the drivers are bad, and the second thing is that the Wi-Fi adapter is not enabled. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now you'll find Wi-Fi here. Right click on this one and check if it's disabled or enabled. Like this one is disabled, so right click on it and enable it if you have that option. Okay, so this is what has to be done. The next one is that you will have to update the Wi-Fi driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and then go to device manager. Now expand the list for network adapter drivers and right click on this one and select update driver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.